Good evening everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about PayPal announces workforce reductions, Android 15 integrates Auracast for audio sharing, Senate hearing on social media, Zuckerberg apologizes and bizarre moments. Zoho reports strong financial performance. Google Maps explores generative AI for discovery. Instagram thread reaches 130 million monthly users. Byju's major investors seek leadership change and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. PayPal plans to cut 9% of its workforce, totaling 2,500 jobs globally as part of a cost-cutting and efficiency initiative. CEO Alex Krish cites the need for increased focus, efficiency, and business right-sizing. The fintech giant aims to invest in growth areas despite recent challenges from competitors like Apple and Zelle. Google's Android 15 is set to integrate Auracast, a feature of the Bluetooth LE audio standard, allowing users to easily share media audio with nearby devices via Bluetooth. The move enhances user experience and aligns with the broader trend of improving connectivity features in mobile devices. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg apologizes during a Senate hearing on social media's impact on children. The hearing, marked by bizarre moments, focuses on whether social media companies are doing enough to protect teens. Zuckerberg suggests Apple and Google handle age verification during app downloads, but critics note the lack of concrete proposals. Zoho, led by Sridhar Vembu, reports a 30% increase in operating revenue to rupees 8,703.6 crore in FY23 with a profit of rupees 2,836 crore. North America leads in revenue, and despite a 51% surge in expenses, Zoho maintains a healthy bottom line. The company's performance reflects its ability to achieve scale without external capital. Google Maps introduces a generative AI feature using large language models (LLMs) to provide personalized suggestions based on user queries. The experiment aims to improve the discovery of new places by analyzing vast data from locations and local guides. The feature starts as an early access experiment in the US. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg announces that Instagram Threads, the text-based social networking app, has surpassed 130 million monthly active users. Despite challenges, Threads' growth rebounded with more active users than during its initial launch peak. The app competes in the post-Twitter acquisition landscape and recently tripled its download in December. Major investors in Byju's, including Prosus with a 9% stake, seek a board reconstitution and a change in leadership at an extraordinary journal meeting. Concerns about governance, financial mismanagement, and compliance issues prompt the move. Byju's, facing financial challenges and setbacks, recently announced plans to raise $200 million through a rights issue. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.